So today I'm going to break down how to get a crypto mortgage. Now, like say you want to borrow against your crypto to take that 30-year loan out to purchase your first house. Now it's good to know there are companies out there that actually do have lending options for you. Now there aren't many, but as crypto becomes a little more mainstream and institutional banks begin to understand it better, I think it's destined to become a much more common form of lending than obviously it currently is. Some have wait lists to get on, but I'm going to focus on ones that are up and running. So the first one I'm going to look at is Milo, which is a Miami-based lender. Also the first U.S.-based company offering loans of up to $5 million USD with competitive interest rates for what the current rates are in the U.S. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some stable coins as collateral, and will even take your crypto as a monthly payment if you don't wish to send dollars. When you take a loan with Milo, let's use a loan amount of $1 million. You put up $1 million worth of Bitcoin, for example, in order to get a $1 million loan in USD. So you don't need the cash down payment, the FICO credit score checks, or providing your tax returns to determine eligibility. Now, according to their site, it says any U.S. citizen or those with a visa can apply to purchase a U.S. property. So, some people wonder, hey, is my crypto going to be safe as collateral? Well, according to them, yes, it will. It's safe. It's held with their company insured on a cold wallet, held with Gemini and Coinbase and partners of that sort. To further integrate itself in the industry, they're going to be offering these loans as mortgage-backed securities to asset managers and insurance companies. There's another one called USDC Homes, which serves the state of Texas only. Currently, lends up to $5 million, 80% LTV, similar to Milo, but it partnered with Polygon for the Ethereum blockchain. And lastly, Helio, Australian-based lender. But they do have an office here in San Francisco. They offer mortgages based on your crypto collateral and have a cool feature actually involving NFTs, enabling your property/real estate NFTs to be used as collateral for loans, similar to cryptocurrency-backed loans. Essentially, you're backing your loan with your NFT. Now, these lenders will also ask for KYC, know your customer, essentially providing your driver's license, passport, some form of government-issued ID. You'll be providing your social security number, maybe a selfie of you holding your driver's license. Pretty straightforward stuff, but also required by many exchanges here in the U.S. just to trade. So, as we see more regulation creep into the world of crypto, it's going to be more normal than we think. It's important to understand that with any crypto loan, volatility can be a concern. So depending on the amount of collateral you put up, when values decline in crypto, you could get a margin call, risk the chance of being liquidated, for a fraction of the price of the investment you put in. Obviously, it's very important to remember as you weigh that, risk reward. Now on the plus side, buyers can avoid capital gains tax by placing their crypto as collateral for home loans, since you don't need to sell any crypto to take that loan. So while they're just kind of getting started, it's hard to not think that many people will be taking full advantage of these crypto loans in the future.